our ice bin and bottle holders. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 36 inches. Front to back, we have a depth of 23 inches. 23 inches is from the rail towards the back of the ice bin. Without the rail, we have 18.5 inches. Height is 32.25 inches from the floor to the top of the splash. Minus the splash, we have 29.5 inches. From the floor to the top of the rail is 24 inches. Interior dimensions for the ice bin, we have 20 inches in length, 15 inches in depth, by 12.5 inches in height. Also included are 2 plastic holders. The measurements for each holder will include 6 inches in length, 15 3/4 inches in depth, by 5 inches in height. Holders can be positioned and adjusted left to right. The height for the rail, we have 6.5 inches. Depth of the rail only, 4.5 inches. Coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. Located in the bottom of the bin will be a drain. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.